Good morning student, this is your second video of chapter number 9. In this chapter we learn data types in Python. Okay. The data stored in memory can be of many types. For example, a student marks are stored as a numeric value. Name is stored as a string and address is stored as alphanumeric value. House number, okay, or whatever is your nagar and something, okay. Thus, data types tells the type of value that is stored in a variable. Okay, what? Data types tells the type of a value that is stored in a variable. Python has 5 standard data types. Numbers store numeric values. Number objects are created when you assign a value to them. By default, numbers are stored as integers. Python supports 4 different numerical types: int, signed integer, long integer can also be represented in octal and hexadecimal, float, floating point, real values, complex numbers. Okay, see, this is the program. Here number is here 100 is stored in numbers, and this value is stored in number 2, and this value is stored in height, and this value is stored in test. Okay, and name also. And then write print functions. Okay, so this is the output of that program. This is the integer, okay, this is the long, and this is in the float, and this is in the complex number. Okay, string number, got it, or complex number, got it. Now string, set of characters represented within quotation marks. Python allows for either pairs of single or double quotes. Multiple line string can be denoted by using triple quotes. Okay, like this. Thus, plus sign is the string concatenation. Concatenation means plus. Okay, operator, and the asterisk is the repetition operator. Got it? See, this example. Here it is written str, and hello, and this programmers. Okay. And print the function. Here we return str plus 2. So this plus is a concatenation, string concatenation. Got it? And this is the output of that hello programmers, and then again hello programmers. Got it? Now no more other data types include list, tuple, and dictionary. A list is an ordered sequence of items. It contains items separated by commas and enclosed within square brackets. All the items in a list do not need to be of the same type. Okay, tuple is similar to the list. A tuple consists of a number of values separated by commas. Lists are enclosed in brackets. Their elements can be changed. On the other hand, tuples are enclosed in parentheses, and their elements cannot be changed. Tuples can be thought of as read-only list. A dictionary is used when you have a huge amount of data and are optimized for retrieving data. Got it? Now variable and assignments. In Python, variable do not need explicit declaration to reserve memory space. The declaration happens as soon as you assign a value to a variable. The equal sign is used to assign values to variable. Now assignment of variable. Here 100 is assigned in number, this number is assigned in height, and this nia is assigned in name. And then we use print function. In this example, the integer, floating point, and string values are assigned to number, height, and name variables respectively. Python is a type inferred language. It can automatically know if it is a string or a number. Okay, then this is the output 100, this is the float number, and this is in string. Now no more. Most of the programming languages like C, C++, Java use braces to define a block of code. Python use indentations. Generally for white spaces are used for indentation and is referred over tabs. Got it? Now multiple assignment of variables, single value to multiple variables. Python allows you to assign a single value to multiple variables simultaneously. Here this is the single value, and this is the multiple variables: x equal to y equal to z equal to 1. This one is assigned to z, and one is assigned to y, and then again one is assigned to x. Okay. Okay, an integer is created with the value 1 and all three variables are assigned to the same memory location. Got it? Here we assign and then we use print functions. Okay, so see, if we here write print x, then one is print, then print y, one print, then again one print. Multiple assignment of variables, multiple values to multiple variables. Python allows you to assign a multiple values to multiple variables simultaneously. A, B, C equals to 1, 2, n. This is Miraya. So see, this 1 is stored in A, this 2 is stored in B, and this Miraya is stored in C. Two integers with values 1 and 2 are assigned to a variables A and B respectively, and one string with the value Miraya is assigned to the variable C. This is the program and this is the output. Got it? Here we use print function 1 and B in B is assigned 2 and then C in assigned in Miraya. Okay, so this is the output. Now subtract two numbers. This number is assigned to A and this number is assigned to B, and we take a variable C and assign A minus B. So whatever is the value of A and whatever is the value of B, then these are subtract, and then this whatever is the answer is stored in C, and then we use print function. So print function is, this is the output. Got it? And again add four numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the all four numbers. These all are assigned in this. Then we use variable E and all are added, and then whatever is the answer, so it is stored in E, and then print function is used to print E. So whatever is the value, so it is the printed. This is the output. Got it? Now calculate simple interest. Simple interest formula is principal into rate into time and whole divided by 100. So here we use principal. This is stored in principal and this number is stored in rate and this number is stored in time. Then it is put in here principal, rate, and then time, and then it is calculated, it is processed, and whatever is the answer is it is in hold in simple interest, and then we use print function, and here we write here simple interest, and this is the, and whatever is the value it is hold, so it will be printed. This is the output. Got it? Now calculate the perimeter of a square. Same. Perimeter of a square is 4 into side. So we take side 21 and then 4 into side. Whatever is side 21, then it is proceed, and then whatever is the answer is hold in perimeter, and then we printed the perimeter. So this is the answer. Got it? Now Python dynamically allows assignments of different data types to a variable. This feature is called dynamic typing. For example, if you assign a variable named var, the value of an integer, float, of a string, it will not produce any error. Now statements in Python. A program is a set of statements written in a specific order to solve a problem. Okay. These statements are interpreted by Python interpreters and are executed. They help to accept input from the user, calculate a calculation, and displays a result. The different types of statements are input. It accepts input from the user. Name equal to, then input, enter your name. Then height equal to input, enter your height. And then output, it helps display the result of the output of to the user. Print, help me code, print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then assignment, it assigns values to the variable. Width equal to 34, this 34 assigned in width. Name equal to this assigned in name. Accepting the user input and displaying the output of the Python program. Using input function, there is always a need to take input from the user and display the output. In this way, the user interacts within the program and can get the result as per his requirement. Python accepts input from the user and uses it in computing the output. The input is stored as variables. Input from the user can be accepted using the inbuilt input function. User's name and say hello. See here, print, enter your name. Then we take name equal to input and print hello and then name. This is the output. Enter your name. This is printed. And then what? Input. Enter your name, whatever is the name. Vivek. And then hello Vivek. Got it? Like the same also. Now find the area of a square. Ask the user the length of the side of the square. This is the length equal to, this is in float. Now we use input, and in again bracket enter the length of the square and then quotation mark. Okay, then area equal to length into length. Then this is a printed area of the square in then area. Okay, so see here, these are in two braces. This is the first braces and this is the second braces. So see, firstly this internal bracket is solved, then the output bracket is solved. So whenever it is in run, so firstly this will be solved. So this is the printed. Enter the length of the square. So it will be printed, enter the length of the square. Okay, then it takes input from the user. So it takes input from the user 6.5. Okay, then it will printed area of the length of a square is, and whatever is the length into length, so it will store in area, and then area is printed. So area is printed. What 42.25. Got it? Then again this will do with another input. Okay. Now accept the radius of a square as input and print its area. Radius, then again float, then input, then firstly this bracket is solved, and then again this bracket, then this is the formula 3.14 into radius, and then into and then this is the, and then 2. Okay, so this is the output of that. Then write a program to ask the user his name and class and say hello and mention the class. Okay, then print enter your name, then take input from the user, then hello, and then print name. Then grade equal to int, then input, then enter your class, then print you are in class and this grade. Okay, so firstly this is the printed, enter your name, then it takes the input from the user. Okay, Nia, then hello, and then Nia printed, and then enter your class, and then it takes integer value. Okay, this is the data type, so it will take 10th, and then you are in class, and then it will take get 10. Then again it will do with the another user input. Now let's rearrange the lines of code. Print enter your name, then name equal to we take input, then grade equal to int input, enter your class, then hello, then name, then you are in class, then again grade. So this is the output. Enter your name, so it takes from the user Monica, then enter your class 11, then hello Monica, you are in class 11. Okay, so this is the output. So this chapter I have finished, students. Exercise of this chapter I will provide you in PDF. Okay student, thank you. Stay home and stay safe.